Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Caputi here. Today we are going to learn how to tell time to the quarter hour and to 5 minutes. And I have Winston's brother Barney here with events that he would like to share from his day yesterday. So his day started with breakfast as well, but not at 5 o'clock like you see on the analog clock here. His breakfast was at this time. So notice we are after 5 o'clock and we have to figure out how many minutes that is. So we know that each one of these marks is 1 minute. But these numbers are groups of 5 minutes. So we can skip count by fives to get us there faster. So 5, 10, 15, or three groups of five. So if you said Barney's breakfast was at 5:15 in the morning, you are correct. Now we do have a special name for 5:15. We could also say that it is 5:15. Why? Well, 4 quarters equal $1, or 4 equal parts make up one circle. So it is 1/4 past 5 o'clock. His second event started at this time, and he loves to run around. So he started running around the house, especially up and down the stairs at this time. So notice the hour hand gives us a big clue. It's not directly on 7, but it's certainly not at 8 o'clock yet. And let's skip count by fives to figure out the minutes. And you guessed it, he started running up and down the stairs at 7:25. His next event, which was really an event of mine, was a Google Meet. And he gets scared by them. He doesn't know where the voices come from. So when I joined a Google Meet at this time yesterday morning, he ran and hid. So this is probably our trickiest time. And again, the hour hand gives us a super big clue. It is not yet 10 o'clock because that hour hand would be directly on the 10. So we know it's after 9 o'clock. We can skip count by fives to get to the 9. Or if you remember that a half an hour is 30 minutes, you can skip count from the 6 or 30 minutes. So, yep, 9 groups of 5 is 45. So he ran and hid at 9:45. Now, this actually has a special name as well. Most of our full circle or hour is complete. We have 1/4 left until we get to 10 o'clock. So we can actually say that this is also quarter till 10 o'clock. All right. Barney's last event that happened in the morning yesterday, or AM, was when he ate a snack. And it is almost at noon, but not quite. So we know what the hour is. And then we need to either skip count all the way around or skip count from the 30. So yes, he ate his treat at 11:50 a.m. So his belly was full. So he decided he was ready for a nap at this time. So notice I crossed over noon. So we're now into a PM time. And if you guessed 12:35, you are correct. Good job. So it was playtime next. And his favorite toy is a tunnel. So his tunnel time began here. And yes, 2:15. Or remember, we could also say that it is 2:15. And the last event that Barney wanted to share was, of course, dinner. And dinner for him happened here. So be careful. Notice it is not yet, but almost 5 o'clock. So be careful. Skip count to find the minutes by 5. And 9 fives is 45. So it is 4:45. Or remember, there is only a quarter left until we get to 5 o'clock. So we can say 4:45. So thank you, Barney, for helping us learn how to tell time to the quarter hour and to 5 minutes. Have fun practicing, everyone. Talk to you soon.